In Chinese culture, ingots symbolize good luck and good fortune. Today, we'll fold the wontons into the ingot shape, deep fry until crispy, and pair with a sweet and sour sauce. Here we have some deveined shrimp. Our family loves shrimp, so I often use it for the fillings. You can also replace it with other types of protein that you enjoy. In a food processor, add the deveined shrimp and blend it until it becomes a paste. You can also mince it with a knife. Then add the ginger, salt, white pepper, and sesame oil. Blend them together. Lastly, add the flying fish roll. Flying fish roll, also known as tobiko. They are crunchy fish eggs, and are sold in most Asian supermarkets by the seafood sections. You can also replace with other ingredients that you enjoy. Mix well. Place the wonton wrapper flat. Brush water around the edge. Add about half teaspoon of the filling in the center. Fold and seal them from the bottom to the top. Brush water on the left corner and seal it with the right corner. Do the same with the rest. We're going to deep fry them today, so this way they look more like ingots. You can cook them based on your preferences, anything from boil, steam, air fry to deep fry. In a pot over high heat, add the oil inside. And heat it up to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Transfer the wontons inside and fry in batches. Deep fry until completely cooked through and golden brown for about 3 minutes. Add another 2 minutes if the filling is chicken or pork. Remove them and drain on a paper towel lined plate. Repeat with the remaining wontons. In a small pot over medium heat, add the apple juice, ketchup, and rice vinegar. Bring it to a simmer and pour in the cornstarch slurry. I have here 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 3 tablespoons of water. Stir until it is thickened. Traditionally, Chinese people believe that doing good deeds will generate good karma and good fortune. So let's all try to do more good deeds and be kind to one another. I wish everyone an abundance of joy and good fortune. Happy cooking and enjoy!